Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your SHARP Aquos Sense2, and then first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. We have to get this application from Zazig Studio. Let's open. Tap to get started, click OK. Tap on the switcher into LED keyboard and tap OK 2 times. Click on input options, switch to LED keyboard, and right now we are in the application, as you can see. And we can set up one of these themes. I will go for this one, for example. Click right here on download theme. Close. And as you can see, that's how our theme looks right now. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!